And we are recording. This is strictly so I can show off because it's freaking cool. Never done this before. So this is the Unreal Engine 5. UE5 is the newest version. This is my little island in the very tropical waters that I'll be changing shortly. Haven't put anything on there but one prop, which is a wind turbine that I made. And I'm so excited. So let me hit play, because that'll put us in game mode, and we'll drop down towards the land. Don't worry, I haven't enabled falling damage yet. Sorry if anybody's got jumped when we fell. So, look around. Look at this beautiful island. Makes me want to run around. But, next time you see this, it'll have like grass and rocks and bunnies and stuff. But that's not why we came here. You can see it up there. Oh my god. Boom. That is my wind turbine. I have never imported an animated prop into the Unreal Engine before. And I did it, and it actually works, and I'm so excited I had to share it. Look at this. Look what the sun is shining on it, changes as the rotors rotate. That's just so freaking cool. Look at what happens to the shaft as the rotors block the sun. That is so freaking cool. So anyway, that's my happy little place, and I had to share. Everything on here I did, except for whoever the artist at Unreal who did the clouds is. Thank them for that, but this is unbelievably cool. And that's it for my little video. Thanks for watching. If you have anything you want to see on my cool little island, let me know and maybe it'll happen.